Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video, I gonna tell you how you can split your table on MS Excel. As you can see that these tables are interconnected. When I make some change on that table, it also changing that table. I don't want that. So how we can split this change? In order to change that, first you have to click here and then you have to go to the layout command and then you should click on the split table button. Now the table will be separated from the previous table. This when I make change on that table, it can't change vertical lines of the table on that table. Similarly, I can also disconnect my that table from this one. Like I click here and click on the split table button. This table also split from the previous one, but is connected one with the next one. Now I wanna separate this table from that table. So again I have to click here and then go to the layout command and then just click on the split table button. Now this table also split from the previous table. Thank you for watching.